My name is Jenny Simonsen. I work for ITS Norway, Intelligent Transport System organization. We're a membership organization, and we try to work for a smarter, safer and more sustainable future in the transport and mobility sector. And what we want to do is to talk about cross-border and cross-mode. How do we get people and goods from ship to shore and hinterland, meaning beyond the ports? Optimized, cost-effective, and obviously in a sustainable way. So what we're doing here is actually introducing Maritime ITS. Well, Nordic Plus is something that we created when we saw that both Finland, Norway, Sweden, and not to talk about Denmark, are very small countries on its own. And we like to think we're big, but at the end we're very small. And in order to scale for industry, in order for industry to scale, and in order for industry to export, and in order for us to create, again, services and products that goes across the border, we need to think cooperation along the Nordic Plus axle. And why we call it Plus is we want to include Baltics region, because what they do is very important.
My name is Olli Soinen from Fintraffic and work as a program manager there. The main takeaway is to promote maritime ITS as in a world of ITS, and then kind of recognize the maritime as in one domain as part of the ITS, and try to find actually a good standpoint or meaning for what you're doing. So we have two domains here. We have the authority domain and we have the private domain, and I think there's a space for bridge building activities, and that's what we try to do here. Well, ITS is a very good platform to do this, and we have a really good relationship with ITS Estonia and ITS Norway, and I think that's a good start. So Norway is a very active player globally in ITS, and also find elements that should be prioritized in this environment. So what standards should be prioritized, what activities should be prioritized, how can we make things work faster than it does nowadays, able to be more efficient and more sustainable.
Hi, I'm Mika Vuoria from CGI Finland. I work as an ITS director here in Finland, and I have been working quite a long time with the ITS community here in Finland, also working in an ITS Finland board. Yeah, I think the best part of this kind of a conferences is that we collaborate, we network, we share knowledge. This collaboration between Finland, Norway, Denmark, Sweden is very important as we learn and we get to know each other, and it's then much easier to collaborate in future. I think the best takeaway is standards, that we need to collaborate on standards and take the leadership here in Europe to steer the standardization in maritime.
What we want to do and achieve is basically also sustainability goals. We want to reduce the traffic emissions, but we can only do that by cooperating about data, about standards, about regulations and laws. And it is difficult within one country, and it's difficult obviously with two countries. But as Nordic is so close, we have many similar approaches. I think if we can do it here, people will look to us. So my key takeaway is basically that we go away from here and say, yes, we want to cooperate and we want to do this more.